I made my chicken meat flat because I cut it unevenly. First, lay the chicken meat. I put salt and pepper powder. You can put any other spices you want. Let's lay out the ham next. Then let's put the cheese. Let's roll it, then put it in the refrigerator first so it can firm up before we fry it. I put a little salt and pepper in our egg, and I also put a little Ajinomoto optional. First, let's dip it in flour. Let's dip it in our egg next. Finally, let's dip in our breadcrumbs. Let's cook it on a low flame so that it is cooked evenly. This is all we have done and everything is ready. This is what it looks like when I finish cutting everything. It's up to you what you want to be the sauce. It's very tasty, guys, so try to make it too. You won't regret the taste because it's really delicious, I promise. If you liked our recipe, guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the little bell all to be updated every time I upload a new video. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in my next video. God bless all. Bye.